Okay, so here I'm back with all the 7 holes in there. So what I did is, yeah, exactly what I explained in the end of the last video. So I punched in 3 additional holes, and then I, yeah, deleted this half and copied that over. But yeah, so if you're at the same level here, let's go in and insert some edge loops here. So when we smooth that guy out, yeah, we see some edge problems here. So let's fix that and insert an edge loop here. And yeah, we want to insert one down here. Now let's smooth that guy to see what's going on. Okay, obviously we have to insert one edge loop right here. Somewhere about there, and let's smooth that out. Okay, yeah, that's something I can live with. So now, yeah, after inserting some edge loops, so yeah, let's for time saving, so let's insert one here. That's it. All the other splits are on both sides. Okay, so now let's take that thing here and let's move its pivot here somewhere to the center. Hit D and so hit W for the move tool, and then hit D and V and middle mouse over one of this vertices here on the side, and then hit Control D and then scale it -1 in X. And then let's take both objects, select both of them, and again combine those, and again select the vertices here in the center and merge. Alright, so what we could do now is, just for sake of visualization here, so select our reference image and put it on a layer and then hide that. Could have done that earlier. Okay, so yeah, we got one piece down here. It's looking alright. Now let's take care about some other pieces that we need. And yeah, let's take care about some pieces that come from this wristband here to that piece. And again, this is not a real lock that I'm building here, so yeah, if somebody from the Rolex company is watching this. Okay, so move a polygon cube down here. Let's go to the side view again. Check that out. And let's bring it into a position somewhere about here. Let's rotate that guy to somewhere about here, and then we scale that up. Okay, and scale it this direction here. Give it some subdivisions. Right, first check out how the size is here in this direction. Just scale that out, and then insert some subdivisions on the width, just so I have 2, and then we delete again. We delete 1/2 of it, or before we do that, yeah, just delete half of it. Okay, and now let's take those verts here and move those to the same level as the wristband here. So let me turn on wireframe on shaded, turn that on. So move this in X here, the 4 verts, and V middle mouse over one of those vertices here. Okay, so we got that in place. What we want to do now is yeah, insert an edge loop here, one here, and then we take this face here or let me think for a second. So let's grab all those words down here, and yeah, this time I'm modeling the lock in a different way than I did when I modeled this watch the first time. That's actually some parts of it I used different ways when I modeled it the first time. Okay, put it somewhere, maybe just a little bit more down. Okay, and then give it another split down here. And what we might want to do now is select those faces here. And let's extrude those out. To somewhere about here. Okay, and then we insert some edge loops in there. So select this edge here, and then Control right click, Edge Ring Utilities and Split, and set it to multi. And let's dial up the divisions here to something like 4. And we do the same here on this part. So select this edge, Control right click, Edge Ring Utilities and Split. You could have also pressed G on your keyboard. So set it to multi and give it 4 divisions. Okay, so with that piece selected, let's rotate that back in Y to 0. No, in X to 0. And now let's take our bend deformer, create deformer, bend. And then yeah, let's do the same process here, create some curvature, and then let's rotate that guy. So that should work right now. So give it 90 degrees in Y, and then set Y to 0. Yeah, that's what I wanted. So now yeah, let's dial down that curvature a little bit, somewhere about here. And now let's select the object and delete the history. And now let's bring it back into place. So rotate that, and then move it to somewhere about here. Okay, so let's check that out from the perspective. Okay, so far so good. Yeah, let me pause the video and we finish this part up, and in the next video we are also going in and create some cylinders in between here, and then we connect the last cylinder here to this geometry, and then we copy that over, and then we only have to put in some kind of geometry inside here, and then yeah, we are almost done with the modeling process here. So alright, see you in the next video.